Okay. Today we are going to see about how we get the energy from the municipal solid waste. So municipal solid waste la energy எப்படி கொண்டு வரோம் அப்படிங்கறத நீ பார்க்க போறோம். See what is municipal solid waste? What about you? Your view about the municipal solid waste? So municipal solid waste is generated from the so many places, whether it is the residential or industrial unwanted material. So that is called municipal solid waste. The people which is segregated from various places, that is called municipal solid waste. Okay, it is collected from the urban area or local body. Okay, note it. What is municipal solid waste? Waste generally means something unwanted. Waste generally means something unwanted. A material is considered as waste until it is considered as beneficial again. Thus a solid material considered as a solid waste. In the eye of producer, when it loses its worth to them and is discarded. So that is the definition of the municipal solid waste. See, composition of the municipal solid waste. So where the municipal solid waste is segregated more and more, if you see based on the economical wise, low income sector should be creating the more organic wastes. Okay, less paper wastes and plastic wastes, less plastic wastes, glass waste, something others. Okay, lower middle class income, nearly 59% of organic waste is segregated. Upper middle class, nearly 54%. Okay, high income person should be 28%. Because percentage of income will be, when we go to the income by substance, automatically the population will be low. So waste segregation also less. So the most organic waste is segregated only in the lower middle class people. So chemical properties of the wastes. There are various wastes: food wastes, paper, cardboard, rubber, plastics, etc. So for all these things we can classify the chemicals only: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and ash. What are the two main analyses based on the find out for solid wastes? What analysis irukku? Rendu analysis paathame.
Ultimate analysis and
analysis and proximate analysis. Ultimate analysis is the used to chemical. That is how much percentage of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen it will be present. If we are taking the food waste, should be the 49% of the carbon waste. Why? Because food is made up of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is, that is called starch, cellulose. Okay, that is called starch at a formula C12H22O11. Okay, so another starch தான் நம்ம maximum carbohydrate எடுத்துக்கிறோம். So another carbon content அதிகமா இருக்கும். Rubber, it should be the high enriched carbon. So similarly to the other, hydrogen, oxygen percentage also show in the table. Okay, that is the chemical properties of waste. Next one, proximate analysis. Proximate analysis means it should be, what is that?
Specific weight, water absorption,
moisture content, volatile impurities are present in that. Okay, so its calorific value also mentioned in the table. For different wastes created paper, for different types of moisture content volatilities are shown in that. See, why waste to energy? Why want to focus to segregate the new energy resources from the wastes means there are so many reasons. First one, continuously increasing of waste. So we want to minimize the more amount of waste because of population explosion, especially in urban area. So high density population area, more wastes will be created. We want to, what is the recycling it only the best way to reduce the wastes. So என்னதான் landfill incineration அப்படின் disposal methods போனாலுமே we want to focus on the recycle. So அப்போ recycle பண்ணும்போது we want to gain the some more energy, some more product. Okay. So next one, lack of fossil fuels. நம்மளுக்கு ஆல்ரெடி தெரியும் how can one fossil fuel will be created, எப்படி create ஆகும்?
இந்த லேண்ட்ஃபில்ல ரொம்ப டீகம்போஸ் ஆகும்.
டீகம்போஸ் ஆகும். அப்போ ஒரு ஆயிலோ பெட்ரோலோ இல்லை டீகம்போஸ் ஆகணும்னா பல 100 வருஷம் ஆகும். ஆல்ரெடி மண்ணோட மண்ணாக மக்கி போயிருந்தது தான் நம்மளுக்கு இப்போ யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், லிமிடேஷன் ஆஃப் த லேண்ட்ஃபில் அண்ட் ஓஷன் டம்பிங். ஸோ லேண்ட் ஏரியா வந்து ரொம்ப லிமிட்டடாக இருக்குது. ஓஷனில் டம்ப் பண்ணுறதும் ரொம்ப லிமிட்டாக தான் பண்ண முடியும். பிகாஸ் ஓஷனில் இருக்கிற அங்கே அதை அந்த மேக்ஸிமம் அங்கே இருக்கிற அக்வாட்டிக் அனிமல்ஸ் எல்லாமே அஃபெக்ட் ஆகும் இதில் உள்ள கெமிக்கல்ஸ்னால. வேஸ்ட் டு ரிசோர்ஸஸ். We want to focus waste to resources. Last one is the emission of greenhouse gases because of fossil fuel. So அதனால தான் என்ன சொல்கிறோம், we want to focus the renewable energy resources. Renewable energy resources means carbon free resources. That is called renewable energy resources. That are the some of the objectives to we can focus from waste to energy. Note பண்ணிக்கோ. Objectives of waste to energy. Okay, there are 5 main objectives of waste to energy. Note பண்ணிட்டியா? Next one. See, energy conservation process. There are so many energy conservation process. First one, pyrolysis. Pyrolysis or gasification, conventional gasification, plasma or gasification, mass burn, that is called incineration. There are various process from waste to energy segregation. Okay, in the process la use பண்றோம். First one, already we see about what is pyrolysis. Now, how can we get the energy from municipal solid waste using the pyrolysis? Okay, so what is pyrolysis? It can be defined as a thermal decomposition method. Carbon-based material in an oxygen-deficient atmosphere using heat to produce the syngas. அப்போ இந்த மெயினான ப்ராடக்ட் என்ன pyrolysis-ல syngas preparation. Note பண்ணு. The main preparation of pyrolysis is the syngas preparation. எதை யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம்? Carbon based material. We can thermal decomposition of carbon based material, especially in a oxygen deficient atmosphere. Oxygen deficient atmosphere. So oxygen deficient atmosphere la நம்ம என்ன செய்றோம்? syngas produce பண்றோம். No air or oxygen is present in a direct burning to its place. அப்ப அங்க என்ன இருக்காது? Without air, oxygen இருக்கிறதுனால burn ஆகாது. Should not, only heating, should not be burning. What is the meaning of burning? Heat பண்றதுங்கிறது heat மட்டும் ஆகும். burn பத்திட்டு எரியுது. ஓகேவா? Thermal decomposition takes place elevated to the temperature nearly 400 to 900 degrees Celsius. See, that is the schematic diagram for municipal solid waste to energy via pyrolysis. First one, feedstock of municipal solid waste, it should be centered into the pre-processing tank. And the pre-processing tank la enna seirom, we want to first dump the municipal solid waste. அப்போ அங்கே பண்ணும்போது அங்கே என்ன ஆகும்? cleaning மற்ற இதெல்லாம் ஒர்க்லாம் நடக்கும். It should be subjected to the cleaning and some more drying, screening. ஸோ அந்த ஒர்க்லாம் இந்த pre-processing tankல நடக்கும். So some of the recyclable material should be separated. The remaining unwanted material should be subjected to the pyrolysis reactor. Pyrolysis reactor, what is the condition for pyrolysis reactor? என்னென்ன இருக்கணும்? Pyrolysis reactor condition எப்படி இருக்கணும்? Without oxygen, nearly 400 to
900
அந்த pyrolysis tank அந்த மாதிரி மெயின்டைன் பண்ணணும். Without oxygen 400 to 900 degree Celsius ஹீட்டிங்கில் ஆக்சிஜன் இல்லாமல் இருக்கணும். அப்போ நம்மளுக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? ரிமைனிங் வந்து ஆஷ் சார் மெட்டல்ஸ், ஆக்சுவலாக அங்கே ஹீட் ஆகாமல் இருக்கிற மெட்டல்ஸ்லாம் என்ன ஆகும்? கொஞ்சம் கீழே விழுந்துடும். syngas will be obtained. We get the syngas. This syngas is subjected to the cleanup process. So byproduct, என்னென்ன byproduct கிடைக்கலாம்? Such as sulfur, acid gas அந்த மாதிரி byproduct கிடைக்கும். The remaining air will be emission. So this, not only that, this syngas could be subjected to the electricity. Using the syngas we get the power generation, electricity stream. That is application of the syngas. Okay. Finally we get the electric to grid. The note padi. You should compare with your book oda compare பண்ணி எது ஈஸியோ அதை மாதிரி கேப்சர் பண்ணி பாடு. Next one, pyrolysis or gasification. Pyrolysis or gasification means nothing but air, oxygen and steam should be used in the gasification reaction. Temperature range is nearly for the pyrolysis one 400 to 900 degrees Celsius. Gasification zone 700 to 1500 degrees Celsius. It is also one of the variation of pyrolysis process. Okay. So another one of the reactor is used. In this reactor, carbon char or pyrolysis liquid produced from the initial pyrolysis steps. Further, it should be subjected to the gasification. After pyrolysis only, the gas is subjected to the gasification. Syngas is subjected to the gasification. So, gasified in a closed coupled reactor. Okay. So, on the reactor, temperature 700 to 1500 degrees Celsius. That is the schematic diagram for energy via pyrolysis to gasification process. Same one. Okay. Final, the syngas is air emission. It should be subjected to the, what is that? Gasification reactor. That is first part of the only pyrolysis reactor, the pyrolysis and gasification reactor.
The air water.
Anga supply pannrom. After pyrolysis only we should be supply the oxygen. So gasification process will be obtained. So appa in a syngas pyrolysis we can prepare, gasification process prepare பண்ணலாம். என்ன வித்தியாசம் pyrolysis gasification? Pyrolysis without oxygen, gasification with oxygen. Pyrolysis 400 to 700 degrees Celsius low temperature, gasification high temperature. அவ்வளவுதான். அது மட்டும் தான் சிம்பிளி. என்ன பை ப்ராடக்ட்?
Syngas, gas.
மேல பை ப்ராடக்ட் sulfur and acid gases. Okay. Next one, conventional gasification. So conventional gasification means a thermal process converts carbonaceous materials such as municipal solid waste into the syngas using the limited quantity of air or oxygen. So municipal solid waste lendi idu syngas than preparation pandrom. So condition is 800 to 1600 degrees Celsius. The steam is injected into the conventional gasification reactor to promote CO and H2 production. That is the basic reaction of gasification reaction. See the first reaction. Carbon, already you note it. You just listen now. Carbon combined with oxygen. Where we get the carbon? All the wastes should be inherent
Carbon.
itself containing the carbon. Okay, so carbon combined with oxygen, we get the CO2. That if carbon is reacted with water, we get the carbon monoxide plus hydrogen gas. If this hydrogen gas is again reacted with carbon, we get the methane. How many kinds of gases will be evolved during the gasification process? See that. CO2, H2, methane, CO. This all kinds of gases emitted from the gasification reaction. Okay. என்ன ரியாக்ட் ஆகுது என்ன கன்வெர்ட் ஆகுது அது மட்டும் பார்த்தோம். That is the conventional gasification process. Same process, only is this one. Yes, instead of pyrolysis reactor, we should be fit to the conventional gasification reactor. என்ன condition மட்டும் மாறும், temperature, oxygen supply மட்டும் மாறும். Okay, air emission. Finally we get the okay syngas preparation, byproduct கிடைக்குது, power generation, electrical grid. Plasma or gasification. That is the high temperature pyrolysis process where the carbon based material is converted into the syngas. This is also syngas preparation method. Another one is syngas preparation method. The main difference is that is called plasma or gasification. Okay, plasma using the two anode and cathode. So on the cathode which if any one of the impurity will be present and the ion charge separate ஆகும், that is called a plasma arc. Looking like a arc, that is called plasma arc. Okay, inorganic materials, minerals. See, the main specification of plasma gasification is separation of inorganic material and minerals. Angala organic material, inga enna use pandrom, inorganic material, minerals of waste product, rockly gas and product are called vitrified slag. இதெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் இது வந்து plasma gasification நம்ம செப்பரேட் பண்ண முடியும். So using the high temperature nearly 4000 to 7000 degrees Celsius, we should be used for plasma gasification. See, here also municipal solid waste are subjected to the pre-processing process. Some of the recyclable materials is removed. This remaining material subjected to the plasma or gasification reactor, it should be inherent to 4000 to 7000 degrees Celsius temperature. Not only that, air also subject, applicable to that. So we get the syngas and verified slag metals we should be obtained. Okay, vitrified slag and metal should be obtained. So remaining gas is cleanup process, byproduct la same for the first one. அப்போ இங்கே கிடைக்கிற இது மட்டும் மாறுது. Mass burn, incineration. So that is a excess of oxygen is present. So excess oxygen present ana, that is called incineration. Operating temperature is 500 to 1200 degrees Celsius. See, this is also same. Here fluid bed boiler is instead of gasification or pyrolysis reactor, ash and metals will be obtained, that is a waste product removed from that reactor. The remaining gas is, that is called not a syngas, we get the normal gas only. Okay, this gas byproduct is sulfur and acid gases. Applicable is same for same prior to the prior one. Prior la irundha mari dhaan ore application, power generation, electricity grid adala form. Up to this, how can different process of municipal solid waste is converted into the energy we discussed now. Okay.